Go!
This exercise requires the simultaneous use of the lower and upper parts of the body to further crunch abs, guaranteeing excellent results. If correctly performed, you will feel your stomach area burning after just a few crunches to indicate it's working. Instructions. 1. Lay on your back and place your hands behind your head. 2. Raise your legs straight up. 3. Tightening your abs, lift your shoulders off the ground while pushing your feet upward.
Rest. Go!
Floor wipers give your core an intense workout. This bodyweight exercise hits both the upper and lower abdominal muscles as well as your obliques. As you progress and learn good form, you may use a barbell to increase resistance. This move requires no equipment other than a mat to lie on. Beginners can lift their legs straight into the air instead of diagonally.
Rest. Go!
This exercise targets the obliques. It requires stability and balance, which makes it suitable for gym goers who already have a solid foundation. The double twist can be done at home or at the gym. No special equipment is needed. Over time, it will strengthen your core and create muscle definition in the abdominal region.
Rest. Go!
This exercise is a classic workout for the so-called lower abs. As always, we would like to specify that the rectus abdominis muscle is a unique and wide muscle, but has areas that can be stimulated and strengthened through targeted exercises. The case of the abdominals with elevation of the legs in 4 strokes is one example. Thanks to the alternating elevation and lowering of the legs, the lower abdomen will be stimulated more effectively.
Rest. Go!
This basic exercise works the oblique muscles in the abdominal region. It engages the whole body and helps build a strong core. When used as part of a regular workout routine, it shapes your abs and shrinks your waist. This crunch variation is a great choice for those who want strong abdominal muscles with visible definition.
Rest. Go!
This exercise is one of the most well-known and effective exercises to train the oblique abdominals. The foot-to-foot crunch is very effective in training the lateral band of the abdomen thanks to the continuous muscle tension, and the taut and slightly raised position of the arms and shoulders, which help in balancing the weight and in the correct execution of the exercise.
Rest. Go!
This exercise is very effective for strengthening the entire abdominal fascia, with particular focus on the upper area of the rectus abdominis. The muscle strengthening that this type of exercise performs will also increase the strength and ability in performing aerobic activities such as swimming, running, and walking. The crunch with vertical legs and touch of the ankles also helps a lot in correcting the posture and balance of the body.
Rest.